Nossa, nossa, assim você.
Oiê! I'm Leticia, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about the people of Brazil. Hola, señorita. My name is Leticia. What's your name?
Hi, Leticia. I am Bianca.
May I ask you a couple questions?
Of course.
If you were invited to a dinner party, what would you bring to the host?
I would bring you candy, wine, or a small gift to show my appreciation.
Also, if you were to greet someone, what would you do?
I would either give them a handshake or a kiss on the cheek.
Mwah, mwah. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye. Okay, well, I'm Bianca. So, Carlotta, do you still live with your parents?
Não, eu tô 85, mas quando eu tava 25 eu saí. Mas muitas pessoas gostam de sair quando eles é 30 pra casado.
She said, I don't live with my parents. I'm 85, but I did live with my parents until I was 25. We tend to live with our parents until we're around 30 or until we get married or go off to college.
Interesting. How many siblings do you have?
Eu tenho uma outra sibling, mas ela tá muito pequenininha, então ela não saiu também.
She said, I have a younger sister. The amount of siblings you have sometimes represents what class you're in.
Valentina, may I ask you a couple questions?
Sure.
Okay. What's your favorite landmark in Brazil?
My favorite landmark in Brazil is Christ the Redeemer.
Nice. I like Christ the Redeemer. Do you know the population of Brazil?
Yes, I do. It's about 202 million people. It's the 5th largest country in the world, in population and land too.
Thanks so much. Bye.
Bye.